In this tutorial, we'll look at the practical application of performance management and other aspects of leadership and management in your functional role as a line manager, and how this will help you to spot and develop new talent. This tutorial aims to provide a useful guide to those who are new to line management and an opportunity to refresh knowledge for those who have some previous experience. It is not intended to be a set of rules for line managers, as leadership and management is a very personal thing which, although founded on the basic principles we explored way back in tutorial 1, is shaped by personal experience, character and circumstance. So I encourage you to draw upon your own experience and to challenge and debate as we progress through the tutorial. At the end of this tutorial, you should have an understanding of the challenges around practical line management, why there are no hard and fast rules, and why leadership and management is a huge privilege, but one which comes with an equally large measure of responsibility. As you can see, leadership and management is not easy, and line management brings its own particular set of challenges due to the closeness between the leadership and management practitioner and those being managed. However, if carried out effectively, it can be a hugely rewarding experience for both parties. Furthermore, it is a superb source of leadership and management experience and an important milestone in your own progression as a leadership and management practitioner. I advise you to consider the ideas and suggestions I've set out in this tutorial and to use them to help you develop as a line manager. Just remember, this tutorial is not a set of instructions, and you may need to adapt these guidelines to particular situations, just so long as you keep the basic leadership and management principles in mind at all times.